Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. I hope you got that popcorn ready, because we about to witness a hot Dylan fire movie today. The legendary, the Moparians are in the building. The Hellkillians have put their toes in the lava today. The Hellkillians are out here to let you know why they call them the Hellkillians. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Hellkillians down, or will the Hellkillians make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Straight to the action, baby. Straight to the malarkey. He blacked out already. You know what time it is. Yabba dabba doo! Body on earth, foot in hell, moonwalking on a lake of fire. He blacked out in no time. He must have got a rocket pack on him. Into infinity and beyond. Oh, he moving. He ain't wasting no time. That ain't no, that's more than a scat. That's a cat, man. Only a cat can move like that.
It looked like he's going to be taking the cancel exit.
Why'd he get off the highway? Oh, come on. What you tripping, my boy? You already had the lead. He must know something that we don't know. He knows something that we don't know. Oh, he almost hit that white car. He tripping. Look at, he lost control right there. Come on, my boy. Get yourself together, Officer Doofus. Yeah, that's definitely more than a scat. That's a Hellcat. Ain't no, look how fast he moving. He in Little Rock? Acting a little fool. He in Little Rock acting a little fool. Look at him, he way up there. He like 2-3 lights ahead of him. He opening up a time portal. He's opening up a time portal, y'all. No, you into the curb going 93 miles an hour. You doing 100 and you can't even keep up with him. You doing 100. So what is he doing, 150? Where did he go? Hold on, where did he go? Is that him way up there? Oh, he way up there. Good googity muggity. That boy fast. That's a Hellkillian, man. Them Hellcats don't play no games. He ain't waste no time putting his foot in hell. Devil, take my foot. I want my freedom. That boy running like Kunta Kinte was running from the master. What's your name, boy? Kunta Kinte. What is he doing? He missed the turn completely. Get your ass back to the station and go to desk duty. You can't afford to miss the turn. 35 mile an hour, he doing 49, 50, 70 in a 35 mile an hour. Come on, bro. You can't even see him and you going that fast. Turn your lights off, baby. Just turn your lights off. Turn your lights off, man. Make a quick donut run for the team, though. Make a donut run for the team. Meet me in the comments. That was diabolical. You got behind a Hellkillian, a Chargigian Hellkillian, 4 doors of hell. You know the devil like, oh, I love it when one of my runners run in a Hellcat. A Hellcat is from hell. That thing came from hell, baby. Ah, man, he never stood a chance, man. He never stood a chance. You shouldn't have even got your stinking ass behind him, Officer. What was his name? Officer Cleton. You shouldn't have got behind him, brother. You sound like you was a brother. You shouldn't have got behind him, man. Soon as he blacked out, you should have turned your lights off. Turn your lights off, sucker. Look, he was moving. He turned his lights off. He must have had a jetpack on that thing. He must have had a jetpack. And he perfect too. He a black car, blacked out. Yeah, it's hard to see him when they black out. His only thing is every time he hit his brakes, you can see his brake lights. I don't know if he was a professional runner. No, a professional runner probably would have some kind of kill switch on his brake lights. So I don't know. But he definitely got busy. He ain't waste no time. He ain't waste no time saying, Lucifer, can you help me, please? And Lucifer said, let me touch that engine and give it the power that it needs so you can get on up out of here, my young demon, my young diabolican. Look at him. He driving so fast, he ain't even paying attention. Look. Oh, man, imagine if he would have ran into the back of that car and there would have been a family in there. Come on, officer, slow down. You know these boat Chargers, these 4-door Chargers, especially when you got a super extreme trash, don't got no good suspension. The body roll is insane. You cannot be making those type of moves in a SXT. Hell, you don't even need to be making those type of moves in a cat. I'm just keeping it real. I had plenty of Hellcats. The body roll is insane. That's why they make the go straight to hell, baby. Yeah, he was moving, man. Got to give a shout out to the diabolican. We gonna give a shout out to the diabolican because he did what? He did his job. He did his job. Oh, somebody, man, why you cheering for the bad guys? Shut your crying ass up. Shut up, crab baby. Quit crying. He did his job. I'm not condoning it. He didn't hurt nobody. He got away. The cop got to go home and eat a whole 12-pack, a dozen of donuts. He got the whole squad got donuts because they want to know, why did you even turn your lights on? Why? You got desk duty for the next 2.5 years, boy. That's right, 2.5 years of desk duty because you turned them lights on knowing you was behind a hell killing. We don't turn our lights on when we behind Hellcats. Only for scats, RTs, and super extreme trash and GT good trash. Never do we mess with hell killians. You made a mistake, Officer Clayton. What's your last name? McDonald. Yeah, take your ass to McDonald's and get a M&M McFlurry and one of those strudels. Because you're going to need it to wash away your defeat and your embarrassment. But oh yeah, shout out to the hell killing. The Moparians are back, baby. We tired of seeing all these foreign cars get away. Let us get away for a change, please. Oh yeah, let Francisco, let me do what I do, baby. It's a hell killing. Let's go, baby. Yeah, man, he was flying 35 miles an hour. He was doing 100 in a 35. Nasty work on both parts. That's nasty work for the diabolican. You should have been doing 100 miles an hour in a 35. And Officer Doofus McDonald, take your burger eating ass back home. Don't be doing no 90, 60, 70 miles an hour in a 35. Call the chase off. Once you missed the turn, you should have said, you know what? I'm calling it off. Nasty work, man. Shout out to them diabolicans. But with that being said, let me give y'all some positivity before I get on up out of here. Man, I done spit on this mic like crazy. But let me give y'all some positivity. Why are you worried about people that hate you, always hating on you? Every time you do something, they hate on you. If you do something good, they hate on you. If you do something bad, they really, really hate on you. They never cheer for you. They always want to see you doing bad, and they do everything in their power to make you look bad. And you over here trying to impress them. Stop trying to impress people that don't matter. You can never get a hater on your team. It will not happen. If he got hate in his heart or she, they always gonna be that way towards you. You can never trust them, and you can never let them in your circle. So why are you worried about what they think about you? What you need to do is keep making them feel sour. Keep making them feel mad. Keep making them hate on you. Give them what they want. They want to hate on you, and use that hate that they hating on you as fuel to better your life and to keep going and to keep doing great things. I don't care what nobody say. If you hate on me one time, you could never, ever, ever, ever be in my life or be in my circle. You keep your hating ass over there where you been at. Stay over there with the haters, because I'm over here with the winning pack, the werewolf pack. We win over here, baby. We win, baby. That's what we do over here. We don't ever hate on nobody. And we all got a little hate in our blood. Don't get it twisted. You was a little hater when you was a little kid. You couldn't help it. But once you get grown, get into an adult, you ain't got no excuse. There should never be any type of hating coming up out you. Not out your lips, out your soul, never. You should be congratulating people. You should be one of us positive Pete's and positive Patricias. No negative Neds and negative Nancy's allowed. Stop worrying about the haters. Only thing you need to be worried about when it comes to haters is worry about making them more mad. Worry about making them want to hate you even more. I likes to do that myself. That's right. I just put some fat on your head. Take it. Oh, man, what is fat on your head? I gave you some knowledge. Use it. It'll better you in life. Run solo. Stop trying to run with the haters. Stop being a doofus, a goofy goofball. You are a leader, a legend. Why you worrying about the haters? But with that being said, we got to slide on up out of here. Wonderful chase. We don't condone running from the boys in blue, but I will let you do what you do. If you get away, I'm going to cheer for you. If you get caught, I'm still going to cheer for the boys in blue. They did their job if they catch you. But if you get away, I got to give you the same love I give them. You did your job. But with that being said, you are diabolicking. And you're going to run from the police. I cannot help you. You've already given up everything you want. You are a full-blown diabolicking baby demon. You on demon time. Nothing I can do for you. But if you do decide to run, because you're going to do what you do, ain't nothing I can do. Can you please listen to me now? Listen to me now. Listen. Can you please give me a supercharger, 717 horsepower, Hellkillian when you run?